Hey, Mustangrebuilder. Hey, we're back to the Crown Vic, the Punisher Crown Vic. And remember I told you when I last left you off, we changed the plugs and coils, and I found that one of the connectors to the coils was bad, and they zip tied it to keep it from backing out. Well, remember, and I showed you in the last video how I went to a salvage yard. I picked up one whole bank of the harness. It cost me $2.50 basically. If you watch the other video, I'll show you. And I ordered these right here. A set of these pin connector tools off of, I think it was eBay or Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. They were like $7, $8. I really didn't need them because I could have done them with, I could have changed this out with probably a needle nose pair of pliers and a pick or a pin, okay, like a thumbtack pin, the size of that. But I'm going to use one of these sharp edges here, take it out. I'm not going to show you me doing it and bore you to death, but I am going to put a link to a video from another guy that's very, very, very detailed how to do it and simple. His cameras are set up real well, so I don't want to bore you with mine. My big ass hands trying to do it. I'll post a link to his. Go to his. Tell him if you would. If you make a comment, tell him that I sent you. I know he'll appreciate it. I'll appreciate it. Yada, yada, yada. YouTubers like to help each other out. But that's what we're going to do today. Anyway, I'm going to start on it. It won't take me very long, and I'll show you the finished, if everything worked out fine, okay? All right, let's get to it. Okay, we're back. The new connector's on here. It's not new, it's from salvage. But look, and all I had to use a little bit of electrical tape to put the wires back together because I had the slices separate them so I could work them a little better. Anyway, this job took less than 7 minutes. Okay, because I remember I had the leftover harness that I got at the salvage, but the tools I used a pair of dikes to cut the zip tie that was holding it, a small set of needle nose pliers, and they were used to pull this red little, I don't know what you want to call it, snap in to keep it watertight and keep the connections together. You have to pull that out in order to get the wires out. The other guy's video will show you how to get that out. It's so easy. You got to be very careful so you don't break it because they get dry too and get old. All right, and then I used one of the sharp ends of this here, barely put it in and just use a little bit of force, just a little bit, and while you're pulling on the wire, and the wire slides right out. Slid it out. This is my bad one. See, here's the bottom. It broke. The part that I'll show you better here on a good one. The part that you can press to release it off the coil, okay? They break, it's very common. So this is the one that was broke. That's why they use a zip tie through it to hold it on. And we fixed it for $2.50 plus the time going to the salvage yard. But I have a whole bunch more connectors for that price. Now I know I'll use them on other Fords. They're good on Mustangs, Ford F150's, 250's, and a lot of the gas motors and the modular motors from Fords. Okay. Anyway, and you can apply the same theory that I just did this to any car that has coil-on plugs, okay? Or same theory as using those connectors to fix a different connector somewhere else on your vehicle that you got, okay? Because on the other guy's video, you know, they make aftermarkets you can buy at the parts store and they're like $8 each, but he was saying they're not as good or sometimes they don't line up perfectly like the factory. And he said one from Ford is almost $50. I didn't price that, but I can believe it. That's what they do to you. They nickel and dime you in the end. All right, and so that's all together. Let's go to the car. Well, let's turn the old key. Oh, starts up like a champ. No engine check lights. So we fixed all that. Only problem we have now, I know when I drove it before I fixed that little part, the overdrive light was blinking after I was romping on it a little bit. So I got some kind of problem in overdrive or fourth, but hey, we'll go through that later. That'll be the last thing I fix. Once my lift comes in, because I'm not laying on my back to work on this car. But I wanted to tell you something else, and I need you guys' help. Okay? I just want to make it in the channel a little bit more fun and interesting, so I'd like to do a giveaway. Let me shut this off so you can hear me better, okay? I hope I'm not boring you guys. This is a cheap fix, easy for anybody to do. You don't have to be a rocket scientist, okay? Alright, here we go. I want to make the channel a little bit more exciting, even you guys internationally. You international guys, I can't afford to do a tool contest and send you tools, but I'm going to get some stickers made for that. And it'll be about that saying I got, not learning something new every day, you must be dead. But it'll be a nice looking sticker, and I'm more than happy to anybody who wins my little trivia contest that I'm going to start doing, okay? I'll place the rules about what I'm going to do, and it's going to be something off of movies or TV shows, old TV shows. Some of you guys will know it right off bat. Some people might have to Google it, but the first one that comes in, and you're going to have to subscribe, you're going to have to like and make a comment. All right, and the comment will be the answer to the question, okay, in order to win, okay? And just want to help people out. You guys help me out a lot. YouTube's helped me out tremendously, not just on cars, other things that I'm doing, anything. I mean, good, if you're a guy that works with your hands, you could find a video on how to fix or build anything on YouTube, right? But hey, the coil packs look good in there. You know, it seems like they ran great. I took it down the road. The car was running fantastic. No miss, no nothing, except for that little overdrive light blinking. But let's see. I'm going to put the rules of the contest. All right, usually the contest, like you say, for a tool, you have to live in the continental United States, not Hawaii. And I'm sorry, Puerto Rico, even though I'm Puerto Rican, the shipping would kill me. All right. The tool I want to give away this time in the contest, I did a video about this particular tool, but I'm going to give this tool away. All right, it's the Harbor Freight Composite 1/2-inch drive ratchet. Okay, and the question for the contest is, what movie? You got to name the movie and what year it was made. Okay, so. In what movie was the girl first called Big Booty Judy? Okay, so you gotta give me the name of the movie. You also gotta give me the year the movie was made, and you gotta find out who the girl was who portrayed the role of Big Booty Judy. Ooh, you're gonna have to Google that. All right. Anyway, remember, if you're not learning something new every day, you must be dead. It's Sunday. God bless you all, and. Man, I'm sorry about what's going on in the world. First we got the virus deal. Now we got race relations, real tight in the United States. But you know what? In my shop, in your shop, in YouTube world, there is no color. We all help each other out, right? We're all brothers together that like to wrench on stuff or build things, right? So it's Sunday. God bless you all. And remember, I'm going to ask the question one more time to win that ratchet right there, okay? Got to be in the continental USA. And it's what year was the movie made? What's the name of the movie? And the actress that played the girl that was called Big Booty Judy, okay? It's a pretty easy one anyway. Love you guys. See ya.